Yes. But of course what we understand is that's our democracy in action. And it was a group of people who said, we've had enough of sitting here all day long, watching you break the rules and asking us to abide by them. And I think really that's indicative, I hope, of what we're going to see going forward in the next year and a half. People in Texas who will continue to stand, who will continue to exercise their voice, who will continue to say, we've had enough. We've had enough of partisan leaders who care much more about appealing to extreme partisan agendas in primary elections. We've had enough of politicians who believe that their political futures matter more than the future of Texas families and the opportunity that should be given to each and every person who we proudly call a Texan. And they've had enough of watching dramatic disinvestment of things that truly impact individuals' lives, as though they are just numbers on a page and so can inconsequentially be wiped away as though they don't matter. We saw it in the 2011 session with that $5.4 billion cut to public education. We saw it in that same session when about $78 million was pulled in state funding for women's health care. We saw it when Governor Perry said, we don't want to participate in the women's health program anymore, even though we were getting a 90-10 match for every dollar, and said that simply because